Oh boy. It's been a little flooded down here. He said it was flooded 2 years ago. These people haven't had heat in 2 years. That's what he just told me. Said no one wants to come out here and fix it. The juicer motor don't sound happy. It's pretty sad. Gas is shut off. Oh boy. It's cold in this house, dude. No heat, 2 years. I don't even know if I'll be able to do anything with this. Looks like the water was up to here. Took out the transformer. Jeez, oh Pete's. Let me find out. Let's see, do I have any power up here? Got power there. Wow, dude. It's not cool. The board's wasted, but I think the board's wasted, and I can see my own breath. Okay, so I got 110 volts to the board. Out of the board. 110 come out. Just lost my wire. Right now, this thing is not worth fixing. I got 120 to my transformer. Out. Nothing. That sucks. This thing's been hit by water. Something you don't want to put back in operation, so I guarantee you the transformer's bad. The inducer motor's shot. Not a good situation. This furnace is beyond fixable. Wow, wow. You can see where the water level was right there. Took everything out. Guarantee transformer, board, inducer motor. It's not worth fixing, unfortunately.
Well, unfortunately, that furnace was beyond fixable. I mean, no, take that back. It could be fixed, but honestly, with it being hit by water, I could be replacing every part on there. Blower, transformer, board, inducer motor was shot. Who knows what happened to it. So it's unfortunate. Those people haven't had heat in 2 years. There's only so much I can do. You know, I told her I'd go try to get assistance through the city. Unfortunately, those people were down on their luck. Sometimes there's just nothing you can do. It's not in their best interest to fix it. There's a fine line there. You know, is it in your best interest or their best interest? You know, I mean, even if I did the parts per cost, no service call or anything. I didn't even charge her a service call for going out there because I felt so bad. I gave her an estimate on a new piece of equipment, a discounted estimate, you know, where it almost cost estimate. You know, just to see if I could help her out, because I mean, they're definitely down on their luck. You know, and the pandemic hasn't helped. So, yeah, that call definitely sucked. Makes me feel fortunate for what I have, and I go to work every day. But some people are less fortunate than myself. Like I said, I tried to help. You know, basically, I gave them almost cost on a furnace, and they still couldn't get money. I think there's like 2 families living in the house, but it's just not a good situation. So that's it for this one. This is some of the stuff you run into out in the field. You don't run into it all the time, but you do run into it, and it kind of sucks when you know, you get that bad feeling when there's just nothing you can do. I did what I could. You know, I didn't charge her a service call for going out there. I gave her an estimate, bare bones. That's all I can do. But, you know, I did what I could. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.